Hi, this is Rob. Today we're going to review a wagon that I bought off Amazon that I use for trade shows, conventions, and pop-ups. The brand is called Max Sports. For this example, I have it inside a Honda Civic Coupe. As you can see, it doesn't take up too much space. It is easy to pull out and open. All you do is pull the sides apart and push down in the middle to lock it in place. And as you could see on the handle, there is a little switch there that you can turn on and off, so that way you could extend the handle or keep it locked. It does move smoothly and it is responsive when I'm turning it into any directions with just a pull of the handle. When it's time to close it, it does have a little handle that you can pull just straight up and it'll close it just like that. It weighs 20.2 pounds. If you have to do events where the ground is rough, as long as it's not soft like sand, it does pull pretty well. It's also great for groceries. You do have to be careful if you're going to carry things like tables. Because of the height of the table, I did have this wagon tip over a few times. And I don't recommend pulling this on sand. The wheels are more narrow. If you want to pull it on sand, you should get a wagon with thicker wheels. As you could see here, I did load this up with a few cases of water and I'm pulling it through the sand to show you the difference. As the weight increases, it becomes increasingly difficult. Yeah, this was pretty hard and I accidentally bent my handle right here. Well, just don't pull it on sand. Other than that, this is a great wagon for your conventions, for your pop-ups, for your expos. I do recommend it. I left a link in the description below where you can get it. For heavier things, I like to use this Dolly right here. This has a higher weight capacity at 300 pounds and less limitations from the sidewalls. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.